Good evening, people. Shiders posted a Medium update where he highlights the number one priority of security since the latest crypto hack. Let's hope the people in the positions could employ that hacker and everybody can get their cryptos back. Finding those security risks is, very important for everyone in the world on the long run. Now let's go through the article really quick and then I highlight one specific point. First, Shiders talks about the security, L2, Shibarium. He has discussed many times with Ryoshi about the burn functions and the possible reflection, whether it's wise or not. And then he talks about the upcoming over 1000 woofable listings to Shibaswap and then SHIB's future and the SHIB incubator, the updates and notion about Ryoshi.Vision dedicated to our founder. In the previous video I talked about the 1% redistribution to people who are burying their SHIBs are accumulating also Ryoshis into their wallet, and those Ryoshis will be woofable through Shibaswap for people who are burying their SHIBs. Then there is this mention, we encourage these behaviors, tokenomics designs, because this one concept will lead to a 6 or 7 figure total payout to xShib-holders who are burying SHIB next week. That's huge for Shibians who aren't even holders of a token. Yeah, let's calculate this possible payout. Meanwhile, Ryoshi is, you can go to SHIB analytics, here click bury SHIB and you see the amount of xShib-holders here. This amount of SHIBs are buried. If we take this number and calculate how much that is in dollars, how much is the market cap of buried SHIBs. Here is the price of SHIB right now. Based here the amount of buried SHIBs, we get the market cap here. You can calculate, for example, how much is $2,000 out of this market cap. 2000 divide with this market cap. You get the proportion. And then let's assume that during the past couple weeks, about $2 million worth of Ryoshi has been redistributed for these people. How much would be your $2,000 worth of SHIB buried getting from that 2 million that has been redistributed for all these holders? So $2,000 divided with this market cap, you get the proportion, and then times $2 million. And the result is $7 worth of Ryoshi. If you buried SHIBs with $2,000 since when Ryoshi launched, on the 7th of August, if we assume that $2 million worth have been redistributed, you would get about $7 of worth of Ryoshi. Where the magic happens is the potential of Ryoshi to go. So why wouldn't you bury your SHIBs when you want to hold them anyway? And then on the side you are receiving Ryoshis. In addition, upon that reflection, you might consider dipping your toe into the waters of Ryoshi. It might bounce back. Woof. Mate.